Hello friends, welcome to Learn Report. In this video, we are going to see how to make diamond pattern in Python. Before that, just make sure you subscribe this channel and click the bell icon and like this button also, and share with your closest friends. Okay, so let's come back to the topic, which is how to make diamond pattern in Python. These are the examples which I have performed, which is of 5, length of 5 and 50. Okay. So let's go deeper. So first, let's understand the logic. Okay. So what is diamond pattern? See, there is two things. The thing is there is a space and a star, a character, right? So what we will do, we will take two characters. One is I, sorry. So what we will do, we will take two characters like variables, which is yeah. Okay. So what we will do, we will take two variables, which is one is I and one is J. Okay. So first of all, let's see this picture, right? So my input was 5 and we are having about 10 lines. So the for loop, should go of range 0 to from 0 to n. Please adjust with my handwriting with 2, right? So this is the range of the for loop, which is 1 to 10, like double the number we have entered. One thing is this. So next thing is, as you can see, it is J and this star is I, right? So as we go downwards, it is reducing. So initially, we will reduce J. As we go down, the star is increasing. So as we go down, we will make sure the I is increasing, right? So when we come to the middle, like mid of the diamond shape, we will break. And you can see it's 5, right? So we can say it is, we can make a if statement where we can say if greater than 5 or like n, we will reverse it. On downwards, it will the I will decrease and the j will increase, right? So let's implement this in the code. Let's go to the wave code. The first thing we want is enter a variable. So for testing purposes, I would take n is equal to 5. Okay. So we need two variables, which is one is I and which should be initialized at 1, and j which should be initialized at n minus 1. So we are already printing the star at the first line, so we are minusing it over there. So we will take a for loop, which is for. We will take not I, we will take S or D, something like that. Okay, we will take diamond, right? So next, so what is the range? The range is of 0 to n multiplied by 2, like double the digit, right? So first thing we want to print is print. We will first print and then update the value. Okay. So first thing, take a space, multiply with j, and add it. Then take a character star and multiply with I. So as you can see in the picture, so initially I was 1 and then it was 3, like it is doubling, right? So we need to add 2 instead of 1. At the case of J, we are just dropping 1, 1, 1. First, we will just decrease the I value by 1 and increase the I value by 2. So let's run this first. Oh, sorry. Let me clear this. Yeah. Now, as you can see, we are having one, two, three, four, and five. Right. So now what we want? After this fifth line, we want the I should be decreasing and J should be increasing. So for that, we will make sure if statement, if diamond, make sure it is counting the lines, right? So diamond, if it is greater or equal to n, so then we will decrease, decrease the j by 2 and increase the j by 1. So we can assume that, and else we will decrease the j by 1 and increase the I by 2. Got it? So let's run it. I hope this, yeah. But there is a thing like what happened here? It is one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So I think we can, yeah, here should be this one. So let's run it again. Yeah, now it is perfect. So let's make it dynamic. Integer input, enter, enter the date. Uh, yeah, okay, simple. Let's run this. We would say, oh, 7. Yeah, it is making. Let's rerun it. 10. It is making. Let's go for 50. Okay, let's minimize it. As you can see, yeah, it is perfect. Yeah, it is perfect. So as you can see, it is working perfectly. So let's analyze it. What we did, we took an user like number from the user. We initialize I with 1 and j with n minus 1 because total we would take n, right? In one first line we would have n characters, but the first character is star itself, and so we minus 1 from there. Then we printed multiply the space with 3 and printed plus concatenated with the star variable with the multiplication of I. So then we add in condition which says if diamond like 1, 2, 3, 4 5 till 5, it would go as usual. Like it will use if statement. After that, it will use this statement. Okay. So this is how we would print the pattern. If I say 200, let's see, I hope like, if I reduce it. It is not working because of the this thing, like the screen is so small. Right. So let's rerun this with a small one. I would say 150, I guess. We tried 100, right? We tried 100. Let's try 150. Now it is working, and probably, yeah, it is working. Yeah, it is working, right? Okay. So that's it, guys. I hope this you liked this video. So this is the end of my video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and share this with your friends. And I hope you like this video. If any suggestions you want to share, just comment me below and click the bell icon so that notify you if I upload any new videos. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.